That plain fiberglass door is about to get a stunning wood grain transformation. Let's get started. Begin by closely inspecting your fiberglass door surface for any cracks, dents, or damage. Feel the surface with your hand. Fiberglass is naturally smooth and needs preparation before painting. Gather all your materials before starting. Preparation is the secret to a professional finish. You'll need bonding primer, base coat paint, wood grain glaze, a graining rocker tool, brushes, and sandpaper. Always wear protective gloves and keep your workspace well ventilated throughout the entire process. Start with 220 grit sandpaper. This is the perfect grit for scuffing fiberglass without damage. Sand the entire door surface using smooth, even circular motions to create paint adhesion. After sanding, the surface should feel slightly rough. This helps the primer bond strongly. Use a tack cloth to wipe away every trace of sanding dust from the entire surface. But a clean, dust-free surface is absolutely essential before applying any primer or paint. Apply painter's tape along all edges, glass panels, and hardware to protect clean boundaries. Press the tape edges firmly with a putty knife to prevent any paint from bleeding underneath. Lay a drop cloth on the floor. Protecting your workspace keeps the process clean and stress-free. Choose a bonding primer specifically designed for fiberglass. Regular primer will not adhere properly. Pour your primer into a paint tray. You don't need a lot, just enough for even coverage. Load a foam roller with primer. Foam rollers give the smoothest finish on flat door surfaces. Apply primer in long, vertical strokes from the very top of the door down to the bottom. Work methodically across the surface. Keeping strokes consistent prevents uneven coverage. Step back and check that the entire door is evenly covered before setting it aside to dry. Allow the primer to cure for at least 2 hours. Rushing this step will ruin the final result. Once dry, lightly sand the primed surface with 400 grit sandpaper for an ultra-smooth base. Wipe away all dust again. Your surface should now feel as smooth as glass. Choose your base coat color. Warm oak, honey brown, or walnut all create beautiful wood tones. Stir your base coat paint thoroughly before use. Pigment settles at the bottom of the can. Load a quality brush with base coat paint. Remove excess on the can edge for controlled strokes. Apply the base coat in long vertical strokes following the natural direction of the door panels. The directional strokes are important. They set the foundation for your wood grain pattern. Cover the entire door evenly with base coat. You should already see a warm wood-like tone emerging. Allow air circulation around the door while it dries. A fan speeds up the process safely. Check all edges and corners carefully. These areas are easy to miss and need full coverage. Once fully dried, the base coat creates a rich, warm canvas for the wood grain glaze. Application. Now prepare your wood grain glaze. Mix brown and dark walnut tones for a natural, realistic color. The glaze should be slightly transparent. This is what creates the depth and realism of real wood. Load a wide brush generously with glaze and apply it over one door panel at a time. Work one panel at a time. The glaze needs to stay wet while you use the graining tool. Pick up your graining rocker. This specialized tool is the secret to achieving real wood texture. Place the rocker at the top of the wet glaze panel and drag it slowly and steadily downward as you drag. Gently rock the tool back and forth. This creates the natural grain variation of real wood. Repeat this process panel by panel. Taking your time creates the most realistic result. Use a fine artist brush to add extra detail. Grain lines, knot marks, and figure patterns add realism. Wood knots are painted with small circular swirling motions. These details make the finish extraordinary. Step back after completing each panel. The transformation at this stage is absolutely jaw-dropping. Compare a finished panel to an unfinished one. The difference in realism is truly remarkable. Complete every panel, rail, and style of the door. Consistency across all sections is key. Allow the grain glaze to dry for a full 24 hours. Patience at this stage is extremely important. Return the next day with fresh eyes. You'll be amazed at how realistic the wood finish looks. Apply a clear polyurethane sealer as your final protective top coat. This step is absolutely essential. The sealer protects your beautiful wood finish from weather, moisture, UV rays, and daily wear. Stand back and admire your work. A stunning, realistic wood look door that cost a fraction of real wood replacement.